Selling a house in Silicon Valley just seems so easy.
It's Farnas here.
It's Shannon here.
It's Adam here.
It's Marita here.
And today I want to talk to you about the 3 biggest mistakes sellers are making right now.
As an experienced realtor, I've seen a lot, and I'm here to help you avoid these costly pitfalls.
Mistake number 1, overpricing your home. Let's face it, we all want to get the best price for our homes, but in today's market, and quite frankly, every market, overpricing can be a killer.
I've seen it time and time again. Sellers who think that they're leaving room for negotiation end up scaring away potential buyers.
Remember, today's buyers are more cautious than ever. With higher interest rates and tighter budgets, an overpriced home is likely to sit on the market, gathering dust. And the longer it sits, the more likely you'll end up doing a price cut and accepting less than anticipated anyway.
My advice, trust your agent's expertise and the relevant sales data that they provide from day one.
We have access to the most up-to-date market data and can help you price your home competitively and correctly right off the gate.
Mistake number 2, skipping those repairs.
Now, I get it. You've lived with that squeaky door or leaky faucet for years. But to a potential buyer, these small issues can be big red flags.
Generally, they might start wondering what other problems are lurking beneath the surface.
In my experience, addressing these minor issues before listing make a world of difference. It's not just about the repairs themselves, it's about the impression they create.
A well-maintained home tells buyers that you've taken good care of the property.
Here's a pro tip. Experienced listing agents can help you focus on the fixes that will give you the biggest bang for your buck.
Now, mistake number 3, refusing to negotiate.
Here's what my years of negotiation experience really come into play.
Buyers always have choices and options, which means that one way or another, they wield some negotiating power.
They might come in with a lower offer than you'd like or ask for concessions like closing cost assistance. And the key is to not take it personally.
Remember, this is a business transaction. Sometimes a small compromise can help you get what you truly want and seal the deal without significantly impacting your bottom line.
My approach always focuses on the end goal, getting your house sold at the best possible net price. I'll help you navigate these negotiations with a cool head and a strategic mindset.
You know what the biggest mistake of all is? Trying to go it alone or choosing just any realtor without clearly understanding the value they might bring.
Each of these pitfalls can be avoided by partnering with an experienced real estate agent. The correct agent for the task brings market knowledge,
Negotiation skills,
and a network of professionals to the table.
As part of a team who's been in the top 1% realtors nationwide in sales production since 2010, I can clearly tell you that having the right agent in your corner can make all the difference.
So, if you're thinking about selling your home, you can easily avoid these traps.
And remember, in every market, experience isn't just helpful, it's essential.
If you have any questions or thoughts about selling your home and want experienced answers, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much for watching.